What if I were to say that by the year 2040, the world as you know it could disappear? Your healthcare provider might be an artificial intelligence. Your boss could be an unseen algorithm with untold power. And your city, a living entity, a machine that thinks and reasons on its own. Sounds bizarre and frightening. Perhaps it's a mix of both. But I assure you, the first signs are already manifesting. In just 15 years from now, the life you know could transform beyond recognition. Let's embark on a journey into that intriguing future artificial intelligence holds for us. Just remember, once you glimpse what's ahead, it's impossible to unlearn it. First, let's envision your job. The desk, the screen, the daily tasks that define your routine. By 2040, this could all fade away. Experts suggest that nearly 40% of current jobs may be overtaken by artificial intelligence. Today, we dive into just a few, but enough to change how you see tomorrow. So let's visualize a world where the roads no longer belong to humans. Highways whisper with silence as fleets of self-driving vehicles glide across the asphalt, machines that never blink, never tire, never hesitate. Drivers replaced by self-driving artificial intelligence vehicles. Then the role of the accountant dissolves, as algorithms take over, sorting, predicting, and managing finances with an eerie precision no human mind could match. And sleepless machines dismantling arguments once mastered by lawyers in court. However, for every position that disappears, new ones will arise, unfamiliar roles that may sound like science fiction. So, let's begin unraveling the first of these hidden transformations. Think about artificial intelligence ethicists, safeguarding the principles behind machines. Or imagine human-artificial intelligence collaboration managers ensuring smooth coexistence between humans and technology. And then there could be digital memory curators might preserve the moments we can't keep in our minds. So the real question is not, if artificial intelligence take your job. The haunting question is, will you even recognize what work means in the future? And if the very shape of employment is twisted beyond recognition, where will you stand in that new world? And if your job is drastically altered, what implications does artificial intelligence hold for health sector by 2040? Let's explore it. Imagine a reality where visits to the doctor become obsolete. You simply don't need them. Every moment, your body is observed by an artificial intelligence that monitors your blood, your breath, even your thoughts. It could predict illnesses years before you feel anything. Surgeries executed with robotic precision, flawless in their results. Medications tailor-made from your DNA, uniquely crafted for you. Sounds incredible. Yet, there's a darker aspect. If artificial intelligence possesses intimate knowledge of your body, what do you think who truly claims ownership? Is it you, or the healthcare provider? Or something else entirely? By 2040, survival may hinge not just on medicine, but on how much you choose to reveal about yourself. Now let's step outside of homes. The city awaits, yet it's transformed. By 2040, cities won't merely exist, they'll possess intelligence. Every streetlight, drone, and hidden camera interconnected, feeding a central artificial intelligence. Traffic moving fluidly, like blood pulsating through veins. Drones buzzing overhead, delivering your essentials. Crime preemptively eliminated, vanishing before you even notice it. It will be perfect metropolis. A city with a heartbeat. But consider, does it ensure your safety, or does it control us? A place that tracks your movements, perhaps even predicting your next steps. Would you deem that place a home? Or a confinement? And then there's education. In 2040, classrooms may fade into history. Children learning from radiant artificial intelligence tutors, knowing their minds more intimately than any human instructor. Lessons adapting instantly, responding to each child's unique strengths and weaknesses. Knowledge no longer confined to books. It flows ceaselessly into every eager mind. This appears to be freeing. But if knowledge becomes boundless, then what do you think truly becomes precious? Will it be the information, or the rare flame of creativity that only humans possess? In a world where answers are abundant, the most profound questions remaining might be those only humans can pose. Yet, the greatest enigma remains our identity. In 2040, with artificial intelligence embedded in our lives, our cities, and even our beings, what does it mean to be human? Some envision fusion, humans merged with machines, gaining vision keener than an eagle's, memories that endure forever, and minds that never tire. Others dread a contrasting fate, humanity striving to prove its significance as machines outpace our thinking, learning, and even emotions. Governments may attempt to impose constraints via laws, but history whispers that technology advances without hesitation. Picture a world where artificial intelligence dictates who works, who heals, who lives longer. Would you still perceive yourself as free? What do you think? And yet, the flip side of this narrative shines with promise. Artificial intelligence could become the catalyst that liberates us, foreseeing climate disasters before they unfold, navigating the vastness of space, steering journeys to distant worlds, designing cures for age-old afflictions, creating innovations so extraordinary, our imaginations can't grasp them yet. So, which path will we traverse? An era where artificial intelligence unlocks humanity's extensive potential? Or a bleak future where humans are but a whisper in their own invention? The reality is, both trajectories remain feasible. And here's the riddle that should keep you awake. The choices made today, politically, scientifically, ethically, are shaping 2040 as we speak. Each law enacted, every innovation unleashed, every limit tested, echoes through time. By 2040, the world you recognize might cease to exist. But what will succeed it? A haven of advancement, or a prison of subjugation? That choice isn't wielded by artificial intelligence. It resides in your hands. So, what's your perspective? Share your vision of the future in the comments below. Will artificial intelligence lead to humanity's salvation or its domination? The future isn't waiting. It's unfolding before us, now. If this journey into tomorrow has sparked your curiosity, and you want to glimpse more of what's waiting in the future, subscribe now, leave a like, and share this with others who crave the mysteries of the future.